Amazon Home Finds. This mini dishwasher is perfect if you lack space or you're trying to save money. It's much more compact than a regular sized dishwasher, but still has enough space for all of your daily dishes. Just add water and then pick from one of the 6 different wash settings that it has, including the 98-degree steaming feature. The extra dry mode also comes in super handy, so you don't have to dry them up after. You can even leave dishes in there for up to 72 hours because it has ventilated storage. It's also got a fruit and veg washing mode that lets you wash it on hot or cold depending on how delicate they are. The handy basket also makes sure they strain easily as well. When you're done with the machine, you just plug this pipe onto the back and it drains all of the water out. Then you can either keep it on your countertop or easily store it away if you prefer.